take some tomatoes and
What we're going to make?
we're gonna make salsa out of them.
Oh yeah.
Actually, it's gonna be really good for tacos.
For tacos, that's right. And what we're going to use for?
We're gonna use these ones for hamburgers, which is my dad's favorite food. And these ones I wanted to share with you, called cherry tomatoes. We have some different kinds of them. And these ones I wanted to share with you, called cherry tomatoes. We have some different kinds of cherry tomatoes.
We have some at home, right, growing?
Yep. Here's another cherry tomato.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So these are the differences between these two.
Yeah, some one looks like plum.
Some of them look like the mini size plum tomatoes, and that are completely red. They look really good. And these ones are mostly sweeter and mostly orange and red.
Twist, twist, twist. Good job. It is red. Tasty? Is tasty?
Very.
Very tasty.